If you're driving an older car or a vehicle that lacks a modern infotainment system, upgrading to a full-featured smart interface no longer requires replacing your head unit or going through expensive installations. The 10.26-inch portable CarPlay screen is an innovative, all-in-one plug-and-play dashboard solution that brings premium features like wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a 4K front dash camera, 1080p waterproof backup camera, GPS navigation, Bluetooth hands-free calling, FM transmission, and in-car media playback all in one sleek, easy-to-mount package. Starting with the display, the 10.26-inch Full HD IPS touchscreen offers bright, vibrant visuals that are clearly visible even under sunlight, with intuitive touch response and a clean UI layout. The wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capabilities allow you to seamlessly connect your smartphone without cords, giving you instant access to apps like Google Maps, Waze, Apple Maps, Spotify, YouTube Music, WhatsApp, Audible, and more directly from the screen. Voice assistants like Siri and Google Assistant are supported for safer, hands-free control of music, calls, and navigation. One of the standout features of this portable screen is its integrated 4K ultra-wide front dash cam, which records crisp video footage that captures road details, license plates, and surroundings with high clarity, both day and night. It includes safety features like G-sensor collision detection, loop recording, parking monitoring, and motion detection to automatically lock important video clips during sudden impacts or incidents. Complementing this is the 1080p waterproof rear camera with reverse guidelines, which activates automatically when you shift into reverse, giving you an expanded view of your surroundings to reduce blind spots and help you park with confidence. This CarPlay screen doubles as a complete multimedia system for your car. It includes built-in speakers for standalone audio output, or you can connect wirelessly via Bluetooth 5.0 or via FM transmitter, which broadcasts audio directly to your car's existing speakers. You can also use the SuperLink screen mirroring feature to play videos or content from your smartphone, such as Netflix or YouTube, when the car is parked. It's great for road trip entertainment or breaks during long hauls. Another major highlight is its built-in GPS navigation system. Whether you're connected to CarPlay/Android Auto or not, the screen supports standalone navigation apps, meaning you won't always need your phone for route guidance. With real-time map updates, voice instructions, and traffic alerts, when connected, you can always stay on track. Installation is extremely user-friendly. There's no need to remove your car's stereo or dashboard panels. Simply mount the screen to your windshield or dash using the included bracket or suction cup, plug it into your 12V car power outlet, cigarette lighter socket, and it powers on with the ignition.